Just got to the castle. I'm about to show you guys this beautiful view, give you a better perspective of what the city looks like and the surrounding mountains. Here I am, I've made it.
Hello Leute, Dober Dan, Strava. Yes, I'm working on my language skills. I will be taking a Slovenian course, which is similar to like a Russian, Serbian, Croatian. If I know Slovenian, I should know a good bit of those other languages as well. First impressions, wow, it's been amazing. I think there's still so much to figure out, but this first week has been great. I've had incredible food, I've met awesome people, the weather's been amazing. Yes, it is a little rainy, you can maybe see my hair's a bit wet. If you know me, you know I love the rain. So anyways, I'm not too upset about the rain. I do appreciate it a lot. It's been really good. I had a pretty good move in. I moved in last night. I was able to get all my bedding. I just washed them actually, so I took care of that as well. I got a monitor set up. It's kind of coming together. I don't know if you can see much behind me, but there's probably some stuff in the background and I need to unpack still. So that's still a process. I'll get that done today. Hey, I just want to pop in real quick. Please hit the like button below, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and tune in every Sunday for a new video. Thanks. See ya. But so far, so good. You know, I think one thing that I'm still striving for is to make some deep friendships. You know, I've met a lot of awesome people, so hopefully I can build on those relationships. Classes started this week. I started on Tuesday, and so today was my second day of classes. Classes have been great. You know, it's a little different than the States because you do a 3-hour lecture and then you do a practice course. So the lecture is the teacher, you know, going over the material, and then the practice side is more of the application. When I was an undergrad, the way it worked, every class, it was kind of a hybrid of a lecture and a practice, especially my math intensive courses in accounting. I have never been to a 3-hour lecture, and so this is very new for me. Yes, I'm still adjusting, but there's so many cool things. I mentioned in my last video, this one right here, that I had that cool experience with the umbrellas. I went and bought it. Anyway, I'll let you finish the rest of that story in the video. In the first video I put out about why I wanted to move, the cobblestone streets and the beautiful scenery, and I went into more detail in my first video, but that's what a lot of people at school have been asking. Oh, why did you choose Slovenia? It's got great people, great culture, a lot of amazing food. The scenery and the greenery is beautiful. So the first couple days have been wonderful. I can't wait to continue to build relationships and meet people. It's my first night here, and I'm probably about to go grab some dinner. I got some clothes in the dryer now. I'll show you that process in a different video, and I'll do a room tour in a different video. We'll check that off later. If you want to see anything else about Ljubljana, just let me know below. I'm in the comments section. I'd be happy to answer that and maybe prepare a video for it in the future. So far, trying to be present and enjoy this place because it is pretty amazing. Cheers.
What is up, beautiful people? It is Saturday today. I'm currently walking up to the castle to get a good view of the city to show you guys. It's such a beautiful place. I was just in a busy downtown area in the city center, and it was lovely. All the families and dogs, and there was this insane bird that I have to show you. It's called a rhea. I got a video. I'll pop it up right here, and you'll see that. But anyways, I'm out of breath on the way up. Just got to the castle. I'm about to show you guys this beautiful view, give you a better perspective of what the city looks like and the surrounding mountains. Here I am, I've made it. Made it to the top of the castle. As you can see behind me, it's an amazing view. Ljubljana is such a beautiful city. I'm so happy to share it with you. Yeah, continue to tune in and I'll show you around a little more. Today the city is so busy with all kinds of people. It's Saturday, so this is when it's obviously going to be the most busy, but I love it. The markets are popping. and there's just people all about, and I think that's what brings the city to life. I give a shout out to Luke Troyer, Ryan Boren, and the entire Griggs family. Colin, Megan, Marlon, Chad, buying me a coffee via my link below. Buy me a coffee. Really appreciate it. Cheers. Walking back down now. It was a beautiful time up there. Ljubljana is one of the greenest countries in the world. I'm hoping to get out a little more into the countryside with some friends and do some hiking and rock climbing, because that's really what Slovenia is known for, is its nature. I'm gonna go to Lake Bled. I'm gonna go to Maribor, which is the second biggest city in Slovenia.
Hello, Leute. What's up, family? What's up, beautiful people? What's up, team? What's up, team? I'm currently just standing in a park. It is a rainy day, but I love the rain, and I got an umbrella, so we're good, and a rain jacket. First impressions. Wow, this has been... Sorry, I have a cup in my face. Hold on. Let me throw this thing away. 1 second. 1 second. I don't know if you can hear me, but it's very hard to talk. I'm walking across the field right now. Trying not to get everything wet. Hold on. Oh my gosh, and I missed, and I got it all over myself. Hold on 1 second. Okay, I'm back. So, first impressions. This place is wonderful. You know, one of the big things that I talked about with a lot of people before I came here was the looming question of, do you know the language? And the answer was no. And the answer is still no. But, hold on, let me take this hood off. All right, never mind the hair for this video, because I can't fix it. I'm currently under an umbrella in the rain, holding my phone and this microphone, and it's just problematic. So anyways, forget about that for now.